Here at Hofstra, we're all about the personalized experience. That's why there are student services professionals throughout various departments assigned to you to help you on your academic journey. These include advisors from the Center for University Advising, Center for Academic Excellence, Student Financial Services, and more. Navigate makes it easy to schedule an appointment to meet with your advisors. You can create an appointment two ways, in the Navigate mobile app or on your desktop. Creating an appointment is a very similar process for both. The mobile app scheduler is through your smart device under the Navigate app, and the desktop scheduler is under the Navigate tile on the Hofstra portal. To create an appointment, open up Navigate. If you're on the app, on the home page, select Appointments. If you're on the desktop version, click Appointments on the left-hand side. Find where it says Make an Appointment. Select the department you'd like to meet with under Type of Appointment. Then choose a service and date you'd like your appointment for. Click Find Available Times. This will show you all times both you and your advisor are free. Find an appointment time that works for you and click it. Fill out the type of appointment, virtual, in-person, etc., and add what the appointment is about. Filling out this section will help your advisor prepare to meet with you. You will then receive an email reminder and can even sign up for text reminders about your upcoming appointment.